asking me about this Angel Olsen song, so I watched a video of her do it. Yeah, the chords to the song are F. She plays it like this, like the folk style. G, C, F. I just usually always play the F with the bar chord, but I would just say play it any way you can. If you can always play the simple F. So the first part of the song is this. F, G, C, back to F. But I would say the rhythm is triplet. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and then sometimes she drops the and. Everything is even if you just play it with downstrokes, it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then at the second half of the song, I'm all alone. Just F to G. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Just 2 beats on F and 2 beats on G. Okay, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye.